Hey guys, I'm at Axpona still checking out everything. These are the new Audeze MM-100s, and they're awesome. Audeze's newest entry-level headphone, or I should say entry-level open back, that is, taking the place of the old LCD-1, which was a headphone I really liked, especially at its price point. It was just super convenient. Well, these are even further improvement. Much wider ear cup, fuller sounding, wider, more detailed, the works. Like really just everything is improved. Still the simple cable system though, and they're just such a sensible entry-level buy. Like if you're new to this world of high-end headphones, just start here. And the other great thing about these, they actually make for a great set of gaming cans too. So maybe if you want something open back or you don't want a typical gaming headset, get these with like a separate mic, or there's even some talk, let's just say, of a potential boom option in the future. Oh my goodness, yes. But whatever your need be, they just sound downright good. So check out the all-new Audeze MM-100s very soon. Links down below. I'm sure I'll get a pair in for review for an official full-blown video soon, but this has been a nice little preview and I just wanted to share it with you all. So stay tuned, more Axpona on the way. Be seeing you.